Magnalite's story began in 1865 with the Griswold Manufacturing Company, pioneers in cast iron cookware. In 1881, the Wagner brothers joined the scene, establishing Wagner Hollowware Company, credited with the first cast iron cookware in the U.S. Their dedication to quality continued in 1891 with the founding of Wagner Manufacturing Company, where they became the first in America to create cast aluminum cookware.
Magnalite pots and pans aren't just another pretty cookware item. Their secret lies in the unique cast aluminum construction. This innovative material allows for superior heat conductivity throughout the entire pot or pan. Say goodbye to hot spots and burnt patches. Magnalite ensures even cooking every time, whether you're searing a steak, simmering a sauce, or baking a cake. Achieve consistent temperatures and professional-grade results for all your culinary creations. Magnalite cookware is crafted from a blend of aluminum and a unique magnesium alloy, known for its exceptional heat conductivity and responsiveness to temperature variations. This cookware is cast in a thickness equivalent to $2 silver, ensuring even heat distribution and providing a cooking experience akin to having an oven right on your stovetop. This innovative material, combined with a focus on design, led to the creation of the well-respected Magnalite cookware line, known for its even heat distribution and beautiful mission-style handles. The Wagner Manufacturing Company of Sidney, Ohio, poured the first cast for Wagnerware Magnalite in 1934. Magnalite's success continued through the years. In 1957, Wagner acquired their longtime competitor, Griswold Manufacturing, solidifying their position in the cookware industry. In 1979, they introduced Magnalite Professional, a hard-anodized cast cookware line, showcasing their commitment to constant improvement. Magnalite quickly became a household name, prized by chefs and home cooks alike for its reliability and performance. Its success propelled Wagner Manufacturing Company to new heights, solidifying its position as a leader in the cookware industry. Today, Magnalite remains a beloved American tradition.